We have this umbrella and we have these Adirondack chairs, which we like to sit on in the morning or at lunch, and it's pretty sunny side. So we need to fix this umbrella somehow. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this umbrella, and I'll be using this post and the piece of 4x4 that I have leftovers from other projects. I will cut 3 inches of this 4x4 and then another 2 inches of this 4x4. I'm gonna cut the hole through the piece of 2 inches, and I'm gonna cut the hole just in the middle of the piece of 3 inches. Now I want to make these guys sitting flush with the post, and you see this little crack here. So I'll probably cut half an inch here and half an inch here, so I'll be able to attach them flush with the post. Now this is a 2-inch thickness piece, and here in the middle, just a little bit closer to the edge, I'll be cutting the hole with this 1-inch bit passing through, and then the next one I'll be cutting it just till the middle. This is a very quick project, and I'll be just using this meter saw. So at the bottom I'll put this scrap wood so I don't cut through, and then I'll attach this one to them. Quick measurement, fits perfectly, and it's not that wide, so it's going to be stable. Now this one is only cut till the middle. However, because of rains, I do not want the water to be staying in, so I'll take a small bit and cut it through. before I start drilling, I'm gonna be using these lock line uh, screws, so they need pre-drilling. That's about it. So now I just need to find the stain which I used for these rails and this deck, and I'll stain these, both of them, and the post. Final step, staining. I'll be using this Sherwin-Williams Super Deck, and the color matches this deck. So you're gonna stain this and probably this post. Don't forget to pre-mix your stain, and I think manually is never enough. I use the drill and the whip. Of course, you can put some sort of tape, painter's tape around these screws. I don't really worry about them being a little bit in paint because they're hidden, but I'll do my best not to put stain over them. So this staining might take a little bit longer. Okay, done. Let it dry for about 1 hour, and then we're just gonna put umbrella back on. After 2 layers of stain, this is the final look. Overall, it was a very simple project, but very efficient. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Cheers.